Heather here from Portland, Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2018 Volvo V90 Cross Country. This is in bright silver metallic with a charcoal leather interior. This has just under 16,000 miles on it, which is like half of what a typical 2018 Volvo V90 will have. So super low miles. This has the 360-degree camera system, the pilot assist with adaptive cruise control, blind spot information system, city safety collision avoidance. Seriously, one of the safest cars on the road. Keyless entry and hands-free power liftgate. You'll be able to open the liftgate from the driver's seat, from your key fob, and also by kicking just below the left exhaust. Tons of space in the back. That's why you need a station wagon. You can put everything in there. Sunshade on that panoramic sunroof. Super distinct taillights. And for those folks that are really missing that Volvo XC70, this is the next best thing, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. Beautiful wood and metal inlays. The V90s have this beautiful stitching on the side here. That's such a nice detail. And four-way climate control situation here. Memory seating for two. With your foot firmly on the brake. This is your ignition switch here. Your center screen has everything you need divided up by vehicle functions here. This is where you'll find that 360-degree camera system, and then you choose which camera you'd like a better view of. And then it'll, once you shift into reverse, the backup camera will automatically pop up as well. Heated seats in the front, heated steering wheel. Your climate control is here. You can move these around so you can find the ones that you'd like to use a little easier. Your main screen. If you drop this down, you'll find all of your settings to create your very own Volvo experience. And then off to the right, this is where you'll find your apps, and you can download whatever you'd like from your iPhone. And it also has Apple CarPlay or Android Auto if you plug in on the right there. Select your drive modes here. This is such a sweet station wagon, and it is stock number 6053A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the information you need, and we hope to see you soon because we've got your car on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. Thanks a lot from Portland Volvo.